post-workout protein shake. We have our almond milk, which is the base.
That's great.
You could use coconut, pretty much anything, just the base of the shake.
You can use oat milk, almond milk.
Exactly.
Right.
I
like oat milk.
cups.
I think it's really tasty. And almond milk I've always loved. It's delicious. So what's next?
And then we have our oats next. This is the carbs. This is what will deliver the protein to the muscles to really recover.
To help you recover so
exactly.
you don't have those aches and pains you were talking about in your video.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
Sprinkle that in, half.
What's this one?
These are hemp seeds. This is basically protein, and a lot of people don't know hemp has a lot of protein.
I did not know that, actually.
And natural fats.
And I think of it as, fiber and fat. I did not know it had a lot of protein. What's this stuff?
This is what everyone needs but doesn't necessarily want to have. This is vegetable superfood powder.
Oh, I love vegetables, actually. So I'm happy to have the superfood powder in there.
There we go.
And what's this stuff?
This is the good stuff. This is the protein.
Oh, the actual protein
exactly.
powder. Right.
So this is 60 grams of protein.
Wow.
So for the challenge, I needed that much, but now I'd say 20 to 30 would cut it.
Would cut it,
yeah.
right.
So add that on in there. And then, last but not least, the berries.
Last but not least, antioxidant city, baby.
For the flavor, too.
Yeah.
Because this is a pretty bland shake, but this really gives it that extra, the flavor. There we go. That should be good.
You got some already poured there.
Yes,
Pass one over.
Here you go. Here is
straw, please, sir.
Straw.
Thank you. Delicious.
So about 2 months ago, I got very sick while traveling overseas. I fell into what felt like the worst shape of my life. When I fully recovered, I vowed I would never take my health for granted. Around this time, I noticed that Chris Hemsworth, my celebrity crush, was about to release a fitness app called Center. His fitness app gives you a superhero shape.
So for the next 30 days, I'm going to work out and diet like Chris Hemsworth.
This is the starting point. Here are the rules. With any meaningful goal, there needs to be a deadline. Number 2, no processed sugar. Number 3, no alcohol. And finally, 0 cheat meals. Stick to the diet 100%.
The first workout of today is a maximum effort boxing cardio challenge. It's 2 workouts per day. Cardio or a functional fitness workout from the app in the morning, then weights in the second session. End of day number 1. My chest is already sore and my shoulders from the boxing.
End of week number 1. Biggest challenge so far has been just the workouts. I'm doing workouts that I've never even heard of before, and I'm sore in places that I didn't even know really existed on my body. The food has been very tough.
The meals are consisting of lots of veggies, lots of good carbohydrates, lots of proteins. I'm consuming a calorie surplus based on my body weight and height to put on muscle.
It's day 15, and I feel amazing. The first week it was, I feel sore, I can't move. This week it's like, wow, I actually have some muscle definition coming in. My strength is up. I've been recording the weights as I'm going. It's amazing, the increases week by week in such a short amount of time. Honestly, the easiest part of this has been the 5 a.m. wake-ups. The hardest part is still the diet. I am eating so much food. I have no complaints. I am actually very blown away by how this has gone so far. This is 30 days working out like Chris Hemsworth.